Intervention video. An introduction to the look, say, cover, write, check strategy for spelling. But let's start with why is literacy important? So providing every child with the skills they need to read and write well is a fundamental pillar of our education system. Developing strong literacy skills has a positive impact across the whole curriculum. And it is crucial for influencing the opportunities children and adults have available to them throughout their lifetime. So let's have a look at one spelling strategy, and this is the look, say, cover, write, check. So the intervention uses a simple spelling strategy, which is to look, say, cover, write, check spelling, and is delivered as a targeted intervention by a teaching assistant in small groups. The look, say, cover, write, check is a method of learning spelling where children study a word, say the word aloud clearly, paying attention to the spelling, cover it up with a piece of paper or their hand. A sheet with a fold down it makes it much easier. Write the spelling next to the original word. Check their version to see if they got it right. And then write the correct spelling again if necessary. This version of the strategy emphasizes reading and saying the word aloud to help connect the written and spoken word. So in the resource folder, we've included a simple template which shows how this works. So they would look and say, then fold, write out the word, check it, and then correct if needed. So what is the research evidence for this strategy? So Fisher, Cousins, and Grieve in 2007, they compared the effectiveness of two spelling interventions, including this. The sample was small with 25 students aged between 7 and 12 years, but both strategies that they tested indicated significant improvement for spelling. Joseph et al. In 2012 did a meta-analysis review of the cover, copy, compare, and variations. The findings indicated that the cover, copy, and compare were effective for helping students acquire academic skills. Dimickle-Nicholson in 2017, in this study it compared two well-known spelling strategies. It was a small sample of 55 7-year-olds in small group learning, and both the intervention groups learned to spell better than the control. If you want to see these studies, download the protocol, and then you can have links in the back to the references. And then finally, the Education Endowment Foundation Teaching Learning Strand on Teaching Assistants shows that targeted interventions delivered by teaching assistants have on average 4 months worth of progress. So that's the research evidence and an overview of the intervention. So now move on to the implementation.